welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscription button below and go ahead and hit that notification bell right next to it. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Hey guys, in today's video, I've got a great one. I am making a Tex-Mex squash casserole. This casserole is absolutely fabulous. It is cheesy, it is rich, and yeah, you're gonna love it, so stick around and watch. Okay guys, first we're gonna start out by slicing some beautiful yellow squash, and 2 to 3 medium-sized squashes will do really well. This one was pretty large, so this one that I'm slicing now, it's about a medium-sized squash. This will suffice for this dish. So we're just gonna slice those, not too thin and not too thick. The slices will be about like this. And then next we're going to dice 1 medium-sized onion. All right guys, we are starting out with some oil in the bottom of our skillet. And we are going to add our beautiful yellow squash. And we're going to add in our diced onions. All right, guys, so we're gonna just cook this down. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna just toss these about. All right, guys, now it's time to take our squash off of the burner. All right, and now we're going to let it cool for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to mix it in with the other ingredients. All right, so of course, this is another quick, easy, and delicious one. So let me just show you how easy this is. After our squash and our onions have cooled for a moment, it's still really hot, but not as hot. But we're going to go ahead and put these in this bowl. And I would just dump these over in here, but this pot is kind of heavy. I want it in my bowl. There we go. Okay, let's move this on out of the way. All right, next, what we're going to do is put all of our other ingredients in. So let me show you guys what that is. All right, so first we're going to add 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. And then 1/2 cup of sour cream. We're going to add 1 can of Rotel tomatoes that have been drained. And if you don't have the Rotel brand, any type of diced tomatoes with the green chilies will be fine. Okay, just make sure you drain it. Then we have 1.5 cups of cheese here. This right here is a Mexican blend of cheeses, but you can definitely use any type of cheese that you want. I just had a little bit of the Mexican blend left over. So we're going to put about 1 cup of cheese in here, and then we're going to reserve 1/2 cup to go on top of the casserole. So we've got 1 cup of cheese going in. And then to this, we're going to add salt. We haven't put any seasoning in this, so a good bit of salt and some pepper. Okay, we're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of paprika and 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. All right, now let's mix this all together. Mixture all combined. It is now time to put it in our casserole dish. So I've got a medium-sized casserole dish. Just gonna pour this in. You guys, this smells so good. And then we're going to top it with our remaining cheese. Okay guys, now we're gonna put this in a 350-degree oven for 20 to 30 minutes until it's golden and bubbly. Do y'all see that? My goodness. I don't even think y'all understand what's going on right here. Do y'all understand what's happening? Do y'all understand what's happening in this casserole dish? I've got my squash casserole here, my Tex-Mex squash casserole. Let's taste it. It smells divine. This is really hot, okay? I probably should have waited a little bit, but it smells so good and I'm too excited to wait. So give me a second, y'all. I'd like to keep the roof of my mouth. Hot. Y'all. Even the bottom of my bowl is too hot to hold. Y'all. This is so good, so cheesy, so hot. Woo. Oh my goodness. There are no words. These Rotel tomatoes in here. That little spice from the green chilies makes this all the... Angela. All right, she's trying to sneak in here while I'm on camera. And taste, I'll just give you some. Okay. Oh, got a little fork. Come over here with her little fork, okay? Girl, that's gonna burn a hole through this. This is burning hot. It's too hot for me to hold here in the bowl. Yeah, she crept her way over here, y'all, while I'm tasting this on camera. You want to taste? Okay, let me know what you think. This is divine. As I was saying, the taste of the tomatoes, those Rotel tomatoes, is amazing in this. The squash tastes divine, the onions, and then the cheesy goodness. This is fabulous. You have got to make this today. If you all guys have some, this will work well even with, if we mix some zucchini up in here, this would be good as well. But this squash has got it going on. You guys have got to try it. Now I'm gonna sit here and carefully try to finish eating the rest of this. But you guys, try this today. I promise you won't be disappointed. I promise. So yummy. You like it? Angelina gave it a thumbs up. It's good. This is divine. Try it today. Let me step back so you guys can read what my entire shirt says. See? Warning, I may start talking about Jesus at any time. All right, I know sometimes you guys have asked, what does my shirt say? Make sure I step back so you guys can see what this one says. Okay? Thank you guys so much for joining me. And yeah, I hope you get to try this recipe. If you do, make sure you let me know in the comments below. If you are new here, then go ahead and hit that subscription button, hit the notification bell next to it. And you guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. Until the next time, I pray that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous day. And I'll talk to you in the next video right here on Sincerely Legenia. Bye.